la enchilada de mole. A ver, ¿dónde estaba? TV. So there's like a
rain or what?
thunderstorm already in Bandera.
Rain out here?
Huh?
Come down here?
It's supposed to. Actually, no. The radar looks like it's breaking up. I don't think we'll be hit that much though. Gracias.
You need to go restroom or not?
I think it's done now.
That's good. Get the phone after we're done here. Stop crying. No te comer queso. You want a queso.
From Fort Worth. Damage, there is a message though. It's fine. It's hard to hear with all the music. But it's en Waco. ¿No está pegando en Waco? Sí. Yeah, because it said, what did it say? McLennan, Bosque, and, no, it's Hill and Bosque. Okay.
Miren, everybody looking great. Hey.
I wonder who's this one for. Limestone, McLennan, Hills, Boss. Oh, that's on Waco. At least we're not getting rained on. Turn those TVs off. Your thunderstorm is located. I don't know where its camera is located. Kind of hard to tell.
damage
located.
to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage.
Is that?
Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes,
Yeah, it's supposed to.
roofs, and outbuildings.
Yeah.
Locations impacted include New Braun Falls, San Marcos, Church, Cibolo, Wimberley, Blanco, Canyon Lake Dam, Canyon Lake, Fair Oaks Ranch, Bulverde, Garden Ridge, McQueen, Wood Creek, Santa Clara, Guadalupe River State Park, Candelia, Smithson Valley, Spring Branch, Dayton, and Pflugrad. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Whoops.
Lightning is one of nature's.
Here, folks, do say hello.
Missed it. Probably gonna be late on this one. Yeah. Okay, if it counts.
Northeastern Texas, Sonora County in northeastern Texas, Rusk County in northeastern Texas, Nacogdoches County in Texas, western Shelby County in eastern Texas, southeastern Wood County in northeastern Texas, southern Berkshire County in northeastern Texas, and County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Cherokee County in northeastern Texas, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 10:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Storms were located along southeast of Wilmington, North Carolina, 9 miles southwest into Forest, moving east at 45 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar. Trees went down to cross 7 Smith and Cherokee counties from these storms.
This is on channel 4.
Thunderstorm watch number 260, effective until 4
Right,
a.m.
that's good.
Central Daylight Time Sunday. This watch includes the following counties:
Okay.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are suitable for the development of severe weather element causing including large-scale damaging winds to the West Coast area, while severe weather remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for latest stable warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch number 5 Central Texas, until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time, following
Well, that was fast, but it's a good thing I got that on WWG55 and WK67, just I couldn't get the one on NG641 on this one. But KXF is tips already programmed here. So, alright, overnight event, here we come. WX, I mean,
in Boston. For your protection, interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
KWKH.
Central Daylight Time Sunday for the following parishes in Louisiana, Bossier and Caddo, and the following counties in Texas, Cass and Marion, and the following counties in Arkansas, Columbia,
Whoa.
and Nevada.
I think it's because there's so much lightning it's interfering with it.
Back for every gallon of gas.
Oh, I heard that one. But here it is. That's what got sent out.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio
that's
issued
right.
a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Williamson County, central Travis County, until midnight Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Hudson Bend or near Andersonville, moving the National Weather Service in Austin. 57 p.m. Central Daylight. A severe thunderstorm was located over Hudson Bend, Williamson County, central Travis County, until midnight Central Daylight.
Well, that's really quiet for
At
KTXX.
10:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hudson Bend or near Anderson. Locations impacted include Austin, Round Rock,
It makes it much better.
Fort Hills, Martin Creek, representing. Thunderstorm. Cliff, Point Venture, Wallen and Brushy Creek. For your protection, move to
They
an
actually
interior
fixed
room
it.
on the lowest floor of a
I
building.
don't know if I'm just noticing that.
Locations impacted include Austin, Round Rock, Cedar. Locations impacted include Austin, Round
Jackpot
Rock,
today.
Cedar Park, Pflugerville.
Creon treats EPI due to cystic fibrosis, chronic pancreatitis,
That's quick. Cool.
And penny side hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Include Marshall, Vivian, Blanchard, Jefferson, Oil City, Mooringsport, Hoffman, Belcher, Gilliam, Carnick, Woodlawn, Smithland, Berea, Gray, Uncertain, Nesbitt, Caddo Lake, Lee and Bethany. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15.
Siggy EAS debut.
He's gonna have a YouTube
In the
channel.
following counties in Texas,
Mr.
Harrison,
Fluffy
and
has a
Marion.
YouTube channel. Yeah, he does. It's legendary.
No, it's not.
We got Layla.
And not all ratings